So your last step, in order to begin riding your scooter, is to put in the fuse. You're going to get it in the pack, same pack that the manual came in. It's going to be in a little bag like this. You get 2 of them, so in case one, you lose one, you have an extra. Now this little piece is the fuse. You're going to open up here on both sides your floorboard, and underneath this is where your battery is. This little red piece is where you're going to put the fuse. You open up the top and you just insert the fuse. Now it's going to make a little noise, but don't be alarmed, it will not shock you. So if it makes a little noise, don't be scared. You push it down until you can't push it anymore. Close it. You put it back in there safely. Close your floorboard. And you lock it back down with these. And you're ready to go.